The Headwaters Tech Hub came out of a $41 million EDA grant meant to help the photonic sensing ecosystem here in Montana, where there's already over 40 companies that are making a big impact on our state, and the Tech Hub program wants to build on that momentum.
We are developing test beds across Montana. We have the Lubrecht Forest, which is an experimental forest. We have the underground mine in Butte through Montana Technical University. And then we have Lutz Farm and the Red Bluff Ranch through the Montana State University.
Where the test beds come in is helping innovators get their prototypes to market. So that last couple stages of the innovation process, where you're trying to test your product in a real-world, rugged environment, or demonstrate in front of key stakeholders like investors or first customers. So what we've done at University of Montana, Montana Tech, and MSU is set up a collection of outdoor laboratories or test beds where we can help innovators test and demonstrate their technology. The test bed at University of Montana is at Lubrecht Experimental Forest in partnership with Fire Center, Forestry College, and AASO. We're doing some cool things out there. We've got high-tech drones, of course. We've got prescribed fire. We've got forest harvesting. All these different areas where you can test out high-tech sensors and autonomous technologies.
I am one of the owners and chief executive officer of CrowdCover, which is a civilian drone company, surveillance company. CrowdCover and some of our other channel partners would be interested in using Lubrecht as a test facility to validate equipment that they would operate or sell in the business space. Those include, we're close friends with companies that build small flat panel phased array radars, other drones, sensor packages, AI models that do employment considerations for drones and counter drone systems. All of that is greatly enhanced from a sales standpoint when you can demonstrate the viability of the technology. And that there are very few places in the United States where you could do that. And if we have one here local to Missoula, that could be a potential game changer, I think, for Montana and our little town.
The mission of the Assist grant is to bring in commercial partners to the test sites, to the test beds. And we've already done this with one partner recently. And what we're able to do is create a revenue stream that comes back to the university, back to the researchers, and create a profitable opportunity out of these test sites by bringing in these commercial partners. We're meeting partners all over the world. Recently, a partner came from Canada, and they're actually considering moving their company to Montana. So this is a real opportunity for workforce development in the long run, and we get to have this, we get to highlight all of our experts. For example, here at the University of Montana, we're working with sensor experts and the Autonomous Aerial Systems Office, and which links back to being able to have internships and connect to students and bring them to this experience, bring them to the test site, as well as make the connection to jobs, because some of these students end up interns at the companies that we're featuring and that we're partnering with at the test site.
Our primary human resource mine is students at the university, specifically from the Autonomous Aerial Systems Office, because we knew that those students were already interested in drones, and we were drone-centric in most of the way we did collection and display of data.
Here at the Tech Hub, especially here at Lubrecht Experimental Forest, we're really trying to build up some cutting-edge technologies that are really good for the state and for the University of Montana in general. I think it's important for us to really lean into adopting new technologies and evolving technologies such as drones, robotics, artificial intelligence. And this is just our first foray into some new efforts here at the university and for the state of Montana, just to increase our profile and our capabilities within the state.
This is a huge opportunity. It's a huge opportunity for Montana. It's a huge opportunity for us here at the University of Montana. And we're really excited about the partnership with the Headwaters Tech Hub, and we're excited about the future of where we get to go with these commercial partners and this new revenue stream.